Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you all are safe and sound at your places. Now we have started revision. So we will start a topic for the revision is fraction. So let's move to our topic. Students, please open your workbook 2B. We will cover page fractions for 99 till 104. What is a fraction? Fraction represents equal parts of a whole or a collection. When we divide a whole into equal part, each part is a fraction of the whole. Now let's move to our topic. I will give you an example of an apple. If we have one apple, this is one whole. But if we cut apple into two equal halves, we will get 1 out of 2. So you can see in the picture, two halves will join or become to make one whole. Is that clear? Now let's suppose this is an apple. You can see in the picture written 1. This is whole. But if we divide an apple into two halves, we will get 1 out of 2. On the other side, if we divide apple into 3 parts, we will get 3 equal parts and the each fraction is 1 out of 3. Again, if we cut an apple into 4 equal parts, we will get 1 out of 4 each part. This is the fraction. Now this is the picture. You can see numerator and the denominator. Now numerator shows the number of equal part that is shaded. That is, you can see in the picture that 1 out of 3. The number 1 is numerator and the number 3 is denominator. The denominator shows that total number of equal parts in a whole. In another picture you can see 2 out of 3. 2 is numerator and the 3 is denominator. Now student, let's start with the revision of topic fraction. What is a fraction? Fraction is a part of whole. Now suppose this is a circle and if I divide it into two equal parts, each part is 1 over 2. 1 is numerator and the 2 is denominator. Is that clear? Two halves will make one whole. Fine. If I divide it into 4 equal, then each part is 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4. So 1 is numerator here and the 4 is denominator. Is that clear? So this is how we define fraction. Fraction is a part of whole. Now students, fraction. Write the fraction. Now you have to write how many shaded part and how many total parts. Now I will tell you how to write the fraction. Now let's count the total part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you are going to write 4 in denominator and the shaded part is 1. So we will write 1 out of 4. Now let's count how many total part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we are going to write 6 and how many shaded part? 3. Now this is the triangle. Total parts are 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3 in denominator and how many shaded parts? 2. So this is 2 over 3. Now this is how we are going to write the fractions. Now students, open page number 99 of your workbook 2B. Circle the shapes that show two equal parts. Now what you have to do, you have to circle those shapes which have two equal parts. Now let's suppose these both are squares, but it has two equal part and this shape is not equally divided. On the same side, these are the same circles. This circle is divided into two equal parts, but this circle is not divided into two equal parts. Now you can see here, this is also equally divided. So we are going to circle this shape as well. Right? We have done it before. As you know, this is the revision. Circle the shapes that show four equal parts. Now here you can see this is the shape which have four equal parts. So I am going to circle this shape, and again this is the shape which has four equal parts. Is that clear? Now students, please open page number 100. Color the shapes. You are going to color two equal parts yellow, three equal parts red, four equal parts blue. This we have done already, so you can do it at your own. Now I am going to give you just an example of it. These are the two equal parts. So you are going to color it here, Y for yellow. With four equal parts, you are going to color it B for blue. And the three equal parts, you are going to color it R for red. Is that clear? Now students, open page number 101. We are going to revise it. Color to show each fraction. As I have told you that this is denominator and one is numerator. So how many part you have to shade it to color? That is 1. So take color pencil and color this part. This is 1 out of 2. Now this is 1 out of 3. Again you are going to color only one part of it. Here there are four equal parts and you have to color only one part. Is that clear? 1 out of 4. Circle the pictures that show 1 out of 3 of the shapes shaded. Now look, this shape has two parts shaded. No, we are not going to circle it. This is 1 out of 2. Again, this is 2 out of 3. This part is 1 out of 3. So we are going to circle this shape like this. Now students, you can see this picture. This is 1 out of 3. Circle the picture that show 1 out of the shape shaded. Now this shape is also 1 out of 3. This shape is also 1 out of 3. Is that clear? So you can see picture and solve this question. Now students, open page number 102. The figure below are cut into equal parts. Now what you have to do, you have to write the shaded part out of total parts. Now dash out of dash equal parts are shaded. Now first of all we are going to count the total part. 1, 2, 3. So you are going to write here 3. And how many parts are shaded? 1. So we will write here 1. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to write here 4 and this is 2. Okay students? Now you can solve it here as well. Total parts are 4 and the shaded part 2. Now here 2 parts are total and 2 parts are shaded. Fine. Now let's move to page number 103. Each figure is cut into 4 equal parts and you are going to color it 3 parts. Now how many parts you are going to color? 3. Now students, This is we have done in class as well, so you can solve it at your own. Fine. This is page number 103. Color 3 parts. Is that clear? I am going to give you an example of it like this. Is that clear? Now students, open page number 104. Question is, what fraction of each figure is shaded? Write the fraction. Now you have to count first of all the equal parts, then you are going to write the shaded parts. So let's count the total part. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total parts are 8 and shaded parts are 3. So we will write 3 out of 8. Now here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Total parts are 6 and the shaded part are 2 out of 6. Now here you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. The total parts are 10 and the shaded part are 2. So we will write 2 out of 10. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Again there is 10 total parts, and how many parts are shaded? 1 2 3. So we will write 3 out of 10. This is how we can write what fractions of each figure is shaded. Students, now you can solve it easily. Now this is all for today, students. Do solve the given worksheet. Allah Hafiz.